So, good day. Let's now proceed to our final topic for our P2, and that is exponential distribution probability. Pag sinabi nating exponential distribution probability, ito yung probability wherein ginagamit ito sa case natin, no, sa engineering. Yung exponential distribution is commonly na nagagamit sa mga modeling, no, wherein related yung time until yung device natin ay mag-fail. Let's say for failure rate, no, the probability of finding the failure of something, or the probability of some object to decay. That's why sa ating differential equation, no, kung natakal na sa inyo yung exponential decay, di ba, radioactive decay, minsan ginagamit yung exponential distribution dyan. At mamaya may mga formula na almost kahalintulad sa ating exponential distribution probability. So kapag sa Caltech, mode 3.6 lang naman yung gagamitin dyan kapag sa mode sa differential equation, no, mode 3.6. Pero sa ngayon, turo ko lang muna yung mga formula, no. So for plotting, una, meron tayong formula for plotting. So that is y is equivalent to your lambda. So balik tayo sa lambda. Multiply by e raised to negative lambda times x. So ginagamit natin yan for plotting wherein your lambda is your average and your x is the limit or your parameter. Ngayon, kinukuha rin natin, so isulat ko na lang, no, for plotting yan, no, for plotting. So ginagamit din natin itong formula na to in order for us to get the probability towards the left. So probability na pa-left, no, pa-left. So parang area towards left, no. That is equivalent to 1 minus your Euler's number raised to negative x all over mu. So yung x natin dyan, yan yung nagva-vary. Yan yung tinatanong or minsan binibigay sa problem. Yung e, that is Euler's number, 2.71, but mas accurate kapag pinindot natin sa ating calculator. So yan lang yung tatandaan nyo. And of course, meron din tayong hinahanap na mean. Okay, meron tayong hinahanap na mean. So in order for you to get the mean, that is 1 over lambda. So, I believe yung lambda pala dito is not the average. Kasi yung mean, that is the average. So, yung lambda dito, mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga problem. So, yung median naman, para mahanap naman yung median, the formula for your median is equivalent to ln multiply by 2 all over yung ating lambda. So, yan yung median natin. And last but not the least, meron tayong hinahanap na variance. So, in order for you to get the variance, that is simply 1 all over lambda squared. So, yan yung ating standard deviation, I should say. Standard deviation. Para mas ma-appreciate ulit natin, no? Para mas ma-appreciate natin ang ating mga formulas, of course, mag-solve tayo ng problem. Problem number 18. On the average, a certain computer has a lifetime of 10 years. So, meron ka daw lifetime na 10 years. If the life of the computer is exponentially distributed, so wala yan, exponentially distributed. Letter A, what is the probability distribution that a computer has a life of less than 7 years? So, basically, meron kang 7 dito as your x, no? And, ayun, meron ka na rin kasi yung 10 as your, that is your mean. Kasi meron kang average, no? So, yung 10 mo dyan, automatically, that is your mu. That is your mean. So, kung isosolve natin ng letter A, no? Ang hinahanap dyan, the probability. Okay? The probability na nasa left siya. So, kung sinunod niyo yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Kapag mag-graph tayo ng exponential distribution, basically, pag ganito lagi ang kanyang itsura. So, kung ganito daw, let's say ito yung 0, ito yung 10, ito yung 20, and so on and so forth, no? Yung 7, no? Yung 7 ay nandito sa part na ito. So, nandito yung 7 sa part na ito. So, kung ito yung 5, most probably nandito. Okay? So, yung tinatanong dyan is less than 7. So, yung area of the shaded portion, yan yung probability. Kaya nga, probability towards the left. So, yun yung percentage wherein meron tayong direct formula, no? Yung direct formula na binigay ko sa inyo kanina, that is simply probability is equivalent to 1 minus the Euler's number raised to the negative x all over yung mu. So, meron ba tayo lahat ng parameters? I believe meron. So, that is 1 minus e raised to, ano yung x natin? That is 7. That is 7. Negative 7 all over 10 as your average. Ngayon, sabayan nyo akong pumindot sa calcu. 1 minus alpha e raised to negative 7 all over 10. Ang lalabas na value dyan ay 0.5034. So, 0.5034. So, yun na yung sagot. I hope malinaw doon, no? Next, ang tinatanong naman sa ating problem, so what is the probability that a computer has a life of more than 10 years? No? Ngayon, sa graph natin kanina, less than 7 years. Ngayon, ang tinatanong naman, ano yung probability, no? Kanina, less than 7 years. Ayan. Ngayon, ang tinatanong, ano yung probability daw na more than 10 years? Ibig sabihin, from this part, so hindi straight ang aking drawing. Pagpasensya nyo na ulit. Okay, from this part, from 10 onwards. Okay? Kasi more than 10 years hanggang sa matapos yung ating graph. So yung area of that shaded portion, that is the probability na hinahanap natin sa ating next problem or next parameter. So that is letter B, I think. So sa letter B, ang probability na siya ay more than 10 years is equivalent to ano? Kung kanina gumamit tayo ng 1 minus, ngayon, alisin na natin yung 1. Yun na yung probability towards the right. So, that is basically E raised to negative x all over your mu. So, meron kang E, negative. Ang x naman natin na hinahanap ngayon is from 10 onwards. So, meron kang 10 all over 10. So, yung probability mo na siya ay more than 10 years, that is simply 0.3679. So, ganun lamang kasimple. So, I hope sinasabayan nyo ako using your calculator kasi mas matututo kayo by active learning, by doing something. No? So, that is 0.3679. Okay. Meron naman tayong next na tinatanong, ano naman daw or what is the probability? So, nasolve na natin yung A, nasolve na natin yung B. Ngayon naman, what is the probability that a computer has a life of more than 7 years but less than 10 years? More than 7 years but less than 10 years, basically ang hinahanap na portion dyan ay ito. Yung gitna nila. Ay ang part na yan. So, yan naman ngayon yung hahanapin natin. So, using logic, meron naman na tayong formula, no? Meron na tayong formula, meron na tayong given, meron na tayong parameters. So, ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is pag-minusin. Ano? Kunin mo yung area or probability towards the left ng 10 at probability towards the left ng 7 and then pag-minusin mo lang. So, yun lamang po yun. So, sige, solve natin. So, ano namang kulay para maiba naman? Siguro, violet naman. So, sa letter C, letter C. So, sa letter C, ano daw yung probability na siya ay between 7 tsaka 10? So, yun lamang yung hinahanap. Ano? Between 7, okay, that is less than 10 and greater than 7. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay from the formula. So, probability is equivalent to 1 minus e raised to negative x all over mu. That is your probability towards your left. So, para makuha natin yung logic, simply, ganito yung equation niya. Kunin mo yung probability towards left ng 10. So, 1 minus e raised to negative 10 all over yung mu na 10. I-minus mo sa probability towards the left ng 7. So, that is 1 minus e raised to negative 7 all over 10. So, kapag i-input mo yan sa calcu, so, ang lalabas dapat na sagot dyan ay 12.87%. So, I hope nakuha yon. Again, bukas na po ang ating quiz. So, sana ngayon pa lang is ready na kayo sa mga ganyang problem. Madali lang naman. So, nirarush ko ito ngayon para mapanood nyo pag uwi nyo mamaya sa bahay, and then maging prepared kayo for tomorrow kasi mabilisan yung setup natin bukas. Although may mga madadaling problem, may mga average problem, pero ang kalaban nyo, again, is time pressure. So, time pressure ang magiging challenge sa inyo ngayon. In terms of accuracy, marami kayong mag-iisip kasi by group ito. Kaya, ayun, galingan nyo bukas, Lord willing. Okay, meron na tayong letter C. Okay? Ngayon naman, tinatanong, what is the median, tsaka find the variance. So, anong kulay ba? Gamit na tayo ng, meron ba to? Ayan. So, tinatanong, what is your median? So, again, in order for you to get the median, that is simply ln of 2 all over your lambda. And we all know that your lambda, that is equivalent to 1 over yung mean. Di ba? Kung familiar kayo sa formula na mean is equivalent to 1 over lambda. So, pinagbaliktaran ko lang para maging ganito siya. Okay? So, from that equation, makukuha na natin ang value ng ating median, which is ln ng 2 all over 1 over 10. That is equivalent to 6.93. So, that must be your final answer. So, meron pa bang hinahanap? So, from our problem, okay na tayo sa median. Variance naman ngayon. So, meron ding formula ang variance. Again, ang formula ng ating variance, so, supposed to be variance yung kanina. So, hindi pala siya standard deviation. So, that is variance. So, meron siyang squared. Okay? So, variance. So, ang variance natin ngayon, the variance is equivalent to 1 all over lambda squared. So, 1 over lambda, meron ka ng lambda, that is 1 over 10 quantity squared. Kung i-input mo sa calculator, that is approximately or equivalent to 100. So, ganun lamang po kadali, plug and play lamang po ang ating exponential distribution. And I hope meron pa tayo, ayan, meron pa palang problem. So, question number 19. For the question number 19, suppose that the lifetime x of certain model of car follows an exponential distribution with a mean life of 5 years. So, meron kang mean life daw. Mean life. Mean life ng 5 years. So, that must be your mu. That is your average. So, for the first question, what is the probability distribution of the life car battery? So, if we are going to plot, no, meron kang probability distribution. So, for letter A, the probability distribution is in terms of function of x. Yung x dyan is nagva-vary, depende sa kung ano yung value. So, that is 1/5, 1 over 5, e raised to negative 1/5 x. So, saan ko po nakuha yun? Yung formula na binigay ko kanina sa ating plotting, no? So, yung formula ng ating plotting kasi, that is lambda e raised to negative lambda x. And we all know that your lambda is equivalent to 1 over your average. So, yung average natin kanina is 5, kaya ayun yung sagot natin, 1 over 5. Okay? Malinaw? So, post nyo na lang kung hindi nyo naintindihan, or message nyo ako pag may mali akong nasabi or na ituro para at least maklarify ko. Kasi mahirap ang online since walang interaction. Kaya please bear with me na lang. So letter B, ang tinatanong sa letter B, what or plot, magpa-plot tayo. So plot the probability density function. For this item, I will leave it to you na lang since hindi na lang ako magbibigay ng ganito sa exam, no? Pero kung susundin niyo yung sinabi ko for plotting, madalas it is used for ano na lang for formality sake, parang free body diagram, no? Kung magpa-plot kayo niyan, hindi ko na maituturo kung paano mag-plot since hindi ko lang din ibibigay. Pero you can search sa YouTube. So yung plot niyan is ganito. So for exponential distribution plotting, ang magiging itsura niya ay ganito. So iisa lang din naman kasi yung forma. So from 0 to 4 and so on and so forth. Hindi ko alam kung merong plotting sa iba't ibang mga calculators. So, ganyan, no? So, ganyan. So, ganyan yung ating distribution exponentially. So, depende kung ano yung pinapahanap. May hinahanap pa ba tayo? Meron, I think. So, ang hinahanap dyan is, okay na tayo dito. Then, i-leave muna natin ito. For letter C, what is the probability that the life of the battery card will be greater than 2 years? So, ito yung hinahanap sa ngayon. So, for letter C, no, what is the probability daw na ito ay greater than 2 years? So, from our graph, no? From our graph, saan na yung graph natin? So, naulit ba? Naulit nga. So, burahin ko na lang ito. Ayan. So, from our previous graph, no, greater than 2, kapag magbe-base ka sa ating graph, no, in terms of standard deviation of 2, no. So, ang tinatanong, ano yung probability from this point, and sabi diyan greater than. So, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So, most probably mula dito hanggang sa dulo. Okay? So, meron kang probability formula kanina towards the left na 1 minus e raised to negative lambda x. Pero ang gagamitin natin ngayon is yung towards the right. Alisin mo lang yung 1. So, the formula for that is ganito. That is probability is equivalent to e raised to that is e raised to negative x or negative. So, ano yung formula kanina? So, balikan natin. That is ayan, same lang. E raised to negative x all over yung ating mu. Okay? Mu. And we all know na yung mu natin is equivalent to 1 over lambda. So, meron ba tayong lahat ng parameters na yan? So, the probability is equivalent to e raised to yung x. So, that is 2 all over mu. Meron ba tayong mu? I believe ang mu natin is 5. Okay, so hindi na natin gagamitin itong formula na to since meron na tayong mu. So, plug and play lang sa ating calculator. Ang lalabas na sagot dyan ay 0.67. So, 0.67. Yan ang ating final answer for letter C. So, meron pa ba tayong hinahanap? For letter D, what is the probability that the life of the battery is greater than 2 years. So, greater than 2 years naman ngayon. So, the probability na siya ay greater than 2 years, tama ba? Greater than 2 years but less than 4 years. So, kung gagawa tayo ng mabilisang graph sa letter D, so ganito ang kalalabasan niyan. The probability daw na siya ay greater than 2 years. Greater than 2 years but less than 4 years. So parang ginawa natin kanina, no? Yung ginawa natin kanina, kunin mo lang yung dalawang probability towards the left and then pag-minusin mo lang starting from the larger part. Okay? So para makuha yan, okay, yung probability dyan ay ganito. So the probability na siya ay greater than 2 but less than 4 is ganito. Kunin mo yung probability towards the left ng 4. So that is 1 minus e raised to negative 4 all over 5. I-minus mo, no? I-minus mo sa portion na ito. So from this portion. So that is simply 1 minus e ng negative or e raised to negative 2 all over 5. Kung i-input mo yan sa inyong calculator, ang lalabas dapat dyan na sagot ay 0.2209. So that is your final answer. And for the final question na tinatanong dyan, what is the var x, or simply what is the variance? So yung variance natin, meron din tayong formula that is 1 all over lambda squared. So ang lambda natin dyan ay ano? Ang ating lambda is equivalent to 1 over mu. So yung 1 over mu natin, no? Ang lambda natin is always equivalent to 1 over mu. 1 over mu. So that is 1 over 5 squared. So yan ang ating variance. Pag in-input sa calculator, that is 25. So yun lamang po ang ating exponential distribution. More on plug and play lang. More on analysis, short discussion, pero sana natuto kayo sa ating final topic sa ating P2. And I hope ay mataas ang makuha nyo bukas. So, sige, thank you and God bless.